You can
Start.
see me and hear me and everything. All right, so in Wing Chun, we have like this movement we call bonsai. In White Crane, you have very similar movement. What do they call it? The name? How do uncle understand it?
你江叔啊，喺詠春嗰邊咧，詠春裏邊咧，佢哋就話呢個係佢哋嘅
我係啊，呢度好長喎呢度。最尾個邊
咁樣喺白河嗰度，我哋叫乜嘢？啊？翅膀。Okay, in white crane, yeah, we call as a crane, wing. Okay, that's like how we call it the wing. This is the wing part. So the whole wing.
The whole,
Yep. Okay, so that this is the feathers. So like that is like the feathers. The fingers like the feathers. This is the upper part of the wing, the lower part of the wing.
英文廣東話、普通話、客家話。
香港嗰啲So in here, yeah, for our white crane, this is the feathers, and then when it comes like that, like beauty, so you're using the feathers for beauty. Okay, so like when you move, this is like flying, the feathers is like falling. If you could grab my hand, yeah. Here, So when you do it, yeah, you use the upper arm and the forearm and the fingers. So what happens like here, when you make a circle, but the force is here. And in Wing Chun, yeah, your futsal is here and then hit. And our futsal is here and then we go with the fingers. And then you flick it with the wing flap. And then here we're gonna same thing here, here, there, here, down, up. Like the 12 joints form. Yes. So in Sabiji Lake, it's about the white crane, the wings. Yeah.
And in the ceiling, we have the same movement.
So he also agreed in your ceiling term has the same meaning.
Oh,
講多次，主論頭意思，呢個功夫唔好諗咁多，基本嘅嘢學咗先。
So do you understand the ceiling term? What do you know the meaning?
The literal idea.
Yeah, the concept. You know it, yeah. What is it? So what Uncle understand about ceiling toe is like, don't think too much, learn the basic.
And then just coming back to the bonsai. Earlier on we were talking about the parts of the names for the parts of the bonsai. And this one was
佢問都問咧，因為講手咧係咪有分隻手係邊個環節㗎？呢個係叫乜嘢？但係佢呢度咯。So this is the gin in Chinese, and yeah, 膊頭. So it's a shoulder.
肩膀啊嘛，福佬話棚啊嘛，肩膀啊嘛，呢個肩
板、肩膀、左膀。 佢仲要手臂、手邊 forearm
係咯，
係啦，手 here 肩膀、臂、hand and then finger 指，so is elbow。the upper arm, forearm, hand and finger. So we call this is I think your question is 綁 in the Chinese word 肩綁綁 yeah
呢個
臂橋 give bridge that the 橋 the bridge the bridge is for you to go past yeah so the 橋 is for the bridge like you are divert like something transfer something
你橋你唔好俾人哋一橋入咗橋就入身啊嘛。
if you cannot
你借呢個橋
so like the same as like the palace you have to if your enemies go past the bridge then you will enter the castle yeah so like the bridge is for enter so you shouldn't let people pass the bridge yeah so like pass the bridge and then they get attacked
The reason I ask is because we also in Wing Chun call it like a wing arm.
yes
But the name Bong, I presume, comes from this using this.
佢話喺詠春嗰邊咧都叫做即係叫做雀仔嘅翼嘅，係啦。佢話唔知呢度係咪個名係嚟到叫做中文嘅前臂咯，後臂呢個臂手咯，即係呢個就係大咯。所以 in the Chinese side this is Bong the location
成支就似大埔龍香嘅呢個綁啊。
so in here the whole thing is the wing the whole term is a wing and then this is called Bong and then this is the bridge so like wing and yes the wing
大埔麒麟最靚就係阿黃振平啦。
So like tap the wings. And then like when you go for the wing slap, you actually bring the arm and then hit arm defenders. Like you said,
Yeah. So I was saying,
a friend of yours?
a friend of mine, Peter Leung,
Yeah.
he was saying to me that the word bong in the right tone means to help.
佢話有個朋友同佢講咧，叫 Peter。
His name is Peter.
Peter Leung 啊，咁樣佢就話綁手咧係叫做幫手，幫佢做嘢喎。Helping who to do things.
Yeah. So he was saying, for example, like we're here connected,
如果呢好似咁樣話兩個接觸咗啦，
and I use my phone to redirect.
佢話用呢個幫佢嚟分散嘅力
I
咯。
help.
我呢度呢隻字，你見啦？
If he uncle say if you don't have that, how do you turn? If you without this, how do you turn?
Without the twist.
Yeah, the twist.
You use your body or something.
咪係咯，
So you don't have help.
呢個尖嚟，
Yeah, it's very
尖
interesting.
係三字。唔係
But yeah, that is
係呢
helping it alone.
唔係咁樣做，係呢個搞唔喐，呢個搞唔喐，呢個轉嘅，呢個先去嘅。
So what
如果
uncle
呢個
is
轉咧，呢個嗱啱。
So what uncle is saying, yeah, your friend helping you the mom. So here you're using your body, not your hand. Your body, your hand stay there as a frame, and then now you're using your body to turn. Yes, and then that is a helping now.
So you put all of this together.
Yeah.
You move all together.
Yes. So like that is not turning. Here stay there and then body turn. So that is already there and your body
Oh,
will
it's
turn.
already turn.
Yeah. And then using your body to turn. Exactly. So that is a frame.
But even like that, say the same idea comes together.
所以咧，佢就話個幫手點解叫幫手咧？定係叫綁手？所以佢唔清楚究竟係幫定係綁。
我咧就覺得係幫就身體，幫隻手，手幫手或者控拳啊。
If you go for bong is helping and you're using your body to help your hand. Okay? Not your hand helping your body. Because without this turning, you need to use your body. Without this turning, then you are helping your body.
你咪就係呢個幫呢個呢個幫，你咁先有你淨係講冇，呢個窿呢個逼過佢係呢個拳喺度，我逼過呢個幫嗰度，你咁樣碌過咧就冇用㗎。
So like he's saying like if you're helping hand, that's when you rotate, that's give a direction, and then that should be like forcing this here. Yeah.
So in terms of the meaning of the word, this is probably an obscure idea.
個個理解都唔同㗎，
And Uncle was saying, yeah, different people explain differently. So there's no right or wrong. But what he's thinking is, bong is with this arm. This is bong, and then you can also say bong is like how you interpret it.
佢意思就係話，因為咧，佢朋友同佢講叫幫手，唔係綁，我哋就覺得呢隻手叫綁，咁樣係叫綁開佢啲嘢。
幫你嚟嘅，幫佢哋都
哦，呢個幫咧，
幫都係誠心幫啊！呢度就係咁嘛，嗰啲人人哋佢最啱呢個點咪除咗咯。
So like he said, bong so. So you're using this to bong to help. You're not saying here, you bong.
呢個短出嚟，呢個短出嚟就
Yeah, you're not helping with this one. It's not connected. Yeah, so this is bong. This is called bridge. Yeah.
Yeah, very interesting.
Okay. Yeah. To answer your question.
Yeah, super interesting. Okay, thank you.
You gotta turn and then you hit again and then here. Come. So like the whole thing is Uncle was saying when the hand is out there and then just turn here. So even if you're gonna punch here, that is like here. Okay? And then that comes there and then here.
Yeah, and I'm going further.
Yeah. So if you're gonna punch hit like that and then gonna hit like that because my hand's there, okay? And then if you're gonna hit like that and then that's gonna go again.
So on that situation, you're moving more and more forward.
Exactly.
I have to create space.
Yeah, then
You change the lines.
then you have to change the lines. But like when you change the lines, you're using the body and then creating, attacking the position at the same time. So if I'm gonna attack like that, yeah, then this hand is supposed to be going to my body, and then you turn your body to hit me. Yes. Okay. And then
Yeah, I've got to change your trajectory.
exactly. But in here, because for our system, we will be like doing like that. So we are following your body, but we are attacking. Yeah, so in here, even there, and then we change, then that hand, that block, become more applicationable. Yeah, more direct.
Principles is so similar to principles, very similar, but the execution is very different.
Yeah, I mean, even like if we bong, okay, we bong, we not just bong, we bong and attack. So it's like here, hands in the body.
但係佢又當初唔速嘅，
你都可以呢啲
你嘅搞得可以啊。
So and also like if we're going for here, yeah, with here, we do here, something like that, and then in. If you like tense it, you're here, and then I go here, and then here.
好似中間先用呢個嘅嘛。
Yeah. So in here, it's like when you go, you like that. You're not you using here, and here.
你哋係咪都係咁樣做？
So that's why like when we are doing our movement, exact small point. It's not here.
There's no connection.
Yeah. So in here, you stay there, and then we just like that. A lot quicker.
It's more like
Yeah. And then also like if we like hit me with the handle like that, yeah, just hit me, and like that, yeah, because like here I using that as like a bounce ball, don't waste it.
yeah, which makes sense because even with the bonsai,
Yeah.
the bonsai still had the
Exactly. So if you bong, yeah, and then if you just like sink and then and spit and then backward and then that will attack. Exactly. Then you have to do something like that, and then you can do something like that. Then here, and then you turn, and then you can still hand like that.
every time.
So in here, and then here, our one of our form 1, 2, 3. So you bong, and then here bong. Yeah, but we here, and then here, and then we squeeze.
Yeah, so different. Different ways.
Yeah, so like if you like here, and then here, and then okay, then now not the hand, and then we just go squeeze. Two hands, one hand, same hand. Because like in your bonsai, yeah, you go for bonsai, you will be using that hand to hit, yeah. And then in our bonsai, we like wait, and then here, there, and then here, there. It's like two punches really fast.
Usually one will come.
Yeah. So if you like here and that comes in, and here like. Yeah, but in our system, yeah, if you punch with that, and then we will not just like that pump. Yeah.
師傅咧就話有個電話跟住話手嗰度猜手咯，練指力咯，因為唔係猜指力咯，因為冇
So if we grab, yeah,
我哋想管3
we are not grabbing.
3個鐘頭練。
We are sort of like something here. Stop, 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 stop. Not grab.
但係問題呢個位，
Not
呢
grab.
個位係最
We do
最
that.
最攰嘅。
Because here will stop.
Yeah,
So always using the middle finger.
3日都繼續喺呢度嘅。
on the wrist, you're going to stop.
Yeah.
即係你日日即係差唔多隔2日，星期1、星期3、星期6。
It's coming from
Yeah. So why Samdi is so good?
training all of those.
我有見過，但係
The things you can't see.
唔係去到咁上下先嘅，你要將個標咁長。啊，管道冇人。
Do you know when you go for punch, you go for pass out?
管道就比較 即係好多嘢，即係好多嘢咧。
We're saying it, pass
自己
out,
都做到，但係好多
long
嘢
pass
教，
out.
即係好似嗰啲赤天來嗰啲唔會教啦，係咪先？點解咁佢話佢鎖喉呢啲咧，就得佢快啲。有幾位師傅用筷子拍咗，跟住啲筷子嗰啲唔係我哋㗎，我哋
To the hand, still to the
其
hand.
他啲星有㗎。
sorry，唔縮呢個嚟咧，呢度我估佢哋都係用半日㗎啦。
啊，係唔係估下？即係用
我咧揀呢個呢個火喎，喺度一嚟，即係你做咗3日做咩？要為入邊嘅，
Hands move, yeah, and try to attack him
呢個
again.
就最爭玩㗎。
喂，你要上落去咯，
You use that, expand.
一就到呢就係㗎。
Put hand down.
呢啲
我唔係如果
明佢意思。
但係如果你
sensitivity connection. These are all things that they have in Wing Chun,
Yeah.
but very different look.
Look, even like if you go for a punch, you go for a punch, pass out. We don't go for pass out. We go here, to the body. So not pat. So if like one punch, two punch, pump, that is there. So the pump, that is our pass out.
打人都中，
Right.
如果要怕你佢縮，
咁你係住啦，你出咗啦，依咪講到
我喺芬蘭
縮落去啊！
我頭先我哋呢個做啦，我有買，而家我係咩啫嘛？我係呢個位啫嘛，呢個係一我知，我而家係托，呢個係一，而家我係派，而家你講呢個嘛，派佬，你呢個點啊？而家咧，
我 what I was saying is like downward pat, not side pat. So here, pump.
啱啊！
Here, pump, in, side, like a wave. Yeah. So when we doing this,
係啊，嚟佢嗰話好少嘅，嚟喺呢度。
你唔好就咁拍，呢叫做拍，
我冇所謂。
拍
so when you do a pout, yeah, you here, side, down, and then shoulder spin
中美國真係芬蘭
forward.
我
Yeah,
去
forward.
芬蘭去聖誕文村，咁啊喺新機停一停。
That's where you apply that.
Yeah.
你話係要新機住，
So and also like we have that, you know, that movement, yeah. So that
咁啊
is
佢未
there.
佢未走聖誕文村啦，
佢去完嗰時
佢咪轉機咯，轉機
To
咯。
put it into cheese.
而家萬幾個都飛佢先係
So when you go for cheese out, yeah, normally like if you go for cheese out,
咁
here
佢都係
don't
做
like
啦，
that.
又細咧，嗰啲湯姆嗰啲骨腩啦。
Oh, so the here, no one knows. You're not here. If I do this, you know. If I do this, you don't know.
佢嗰種係喺嗰度咩㗎啦？我唔知佢識唔識芬蘭
You
文。
can't sense my movement because you cannot tilt, you cannot block, and then you cannot do anything because while I'm here, I'm actually squashing it. I'm here, because my arm doesn't tell you anything. I squash and then I'll spit.
你話中文就係識有中啫，係咪先？
It's like an extra dimension.
Yeah.
You're working like this, then suddenly
So, because suddenly, because like if I do my arm, if I do my arm, and you know, you do it.
it's like down.
Okay. But now you here, and I just relax, and here I just get my timing, and then I spit.
如果撳佢唔落咧，就
Speaking English maybe.
And then if I here, here, boom.
The problem with why Finnish words are so long is that in English you have
Because it's something here is cow, which is like two hands. One's here, and boom.
Which you see a little bit of this in Wing Chun. People nowadays pulling and pushing in the cheese.
But not in a short form.
No, not in a short, quick way. It's very push and pull.
Yeah, I mean that's exercise, like exercise, but when we work with other mechanics, yeah, you're not using the hand. If you are here and then you're using hand, that's hand. But in here, you here and then here.
where it's like perhaps we might have been.
So in here, little, just a little.
So when you're doing that, you're thinking,
That somebody
where are you taking it to? Coming from the back or from?
Here, because that energy, that power needs to like work that way. And
Why
when
they
I-
have like the legs and then the body? Is it like that middle?
佢問如果嗰啲力咧係咪三個下腳、三個上邊、中間呢個位？
How, you know when you're pulling down?
like right there with Chinese, so for different reasons, but still.
每一個功夫咧都係出力撐
Just think about it as a circle. Don't think about the triangle.
So is it like?
Yeah, it's like no. If you like that is here, your power becomes this kind of circle. So that circle that is squeezing that out.
喂，一個三角，一個中間三角。
Okay, the frame, that's a frame. The triangle inside and the circle outside.
呢個打呢個打，
No emotion, no speak. It's not necessary. When I started learning the Japanese,
So the principle is always triangle, but like where is the triangle? Work with the circle.
in Finnish, it's not necessary. I could say that.
三角
Yeah, it's like energy has to be expansion.
所以話就
Adding the circle.
So like everything expands. So like even if I here. Now you don't have to do your hand, just relax, and then now you start sink and then lift it.
擺埋一齊嘅，本身係
Yeah, that's it. So now you're creating that energy already. So now your fingertips are slow down, elbow go down, heads up. Exactly.
你腦度要
唔係 A B C D E F G 嚟嘅。
係啊，
佢有兩支上面有個圈，
哇係個發音唔同。
Yeah.
咁我應該你哋學過先知喎。
哦，我唔係緊要，真係
So when you the crane, yeah, up and down, lift. So one positive, negative, positive, negative.
因為一定要拉力。佢個 stance
Yeah, 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 yeah,
我
yeah.
去嗰度咧，我睇嗰啲牌咧，唔係好識做。
So if you look at it like that's like one balance on the left.
不過咧因為
One up. And with the wings.
So the wings there,
身機我唔㗎。
and then the peak is going forward.
好複雜，你哋而家冇問題。
So it's always like a balance, forward, backwards, and then here, expand.
係啊，我轉左睇係會睇唔掂。
Because I've come across this in Wing Chun, you know, like you're pulling down, you know, creating that downward movement. But no one ever says to you, they don't say it like this, they just say it like down.
Yeah,
Sit
because
down.
like when they sink down, yeah, because the object is always coming. That is our way. Why they said that's down, that's up. So up with the fist. So when we said down, up, bump.
Yeah.
So we up more power rather than down, up. So slower.
Tiny details, but they make a big difference.
Go home and learn more. 3次. Yeah, so like Uncle is like giving us the key.
呢杯係嚟㗎，呢杯。
Let's see the world. And honestly, oh, my hands can do it this way. Who is going to say it wrong? You cannot attack with bonsai. Who said? In Wing Chun, never say bonsai cannot be attacked.